Hello, my name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner, the inventor, and the builder. The THROUGH, a cleaning process that's clean your Oriental rug and remove the urine odor through the rug, through the carpet. And I guarantee, in writing, total urine odor removal without using all the cleaning product such as enzyme, deodorize, Febreze, Estee Lauder, Chanel 5, all of this. The Dead Sea cleaner that I invented specifically for this problem, urine odor removal, it's odor free and it is guaranteed in writing total urine odor removal from deep inside the foundation of the wool carpet, silk carpet, synthetic rug, PetPeePee. I clean Oriental rug, the finest one, and I provide to my customers guarantee in writing. Please visit PetPeePee Google reviews and see for yourself what the customers around the United States posted on Google, how they praise about my cleaning process. Please join me to the warehouse. Come and listen and see how the Expert P machine vacuum through the rug and the clear tube that show me what's coming from your Oriental rug in real time and how all the pee-pee go to the sewage. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Thank you for watching PetPeePee.